Hi there, my name is Tyler Mair, and this is Challenge 18, the Social Network API. So first I'll show my code. We have our thought controller with all our thought routes, populated with reactions. And we have our user controller with our user routes, populated with friends and thoughts. Our models, importing our models and exporting them. Here's our models with the subdocument reaction in the thought schema. Creating the virtual. User models with accessing thoughts and friends and creating that virtual. We have our routes, all of our thought routes, all of our user routes, and then giving them a URL. And here's our server.js to connect to our server. So using this, I was already connected, but I will npm start. And now we're connected to our server. So here we go. I'm going to start with creating a new user and creating a thought. So I have this already up here. The username Kyle, email kyle@gmail.com. So when I hit that, it created our new user kyle@gmail.com. He has no thoughts yet and no friends yet. So we're going to copy his ID right now. And we're going to create a thought. We're going to give Kyle a thought. Paste that. And Kyle thinks that dogs are awesome. So Kyle has a thought. Kyle thinks dogs are awesome when we get all of our users. So this also shows getting all of our users. We've got Kaylee, Tyler, and now Kyle. When we get all thoughts, we can see all of our thoughts, Kyle's thoughts, and both of Kaylee's thoughts. So we create a user. I'm going to get specific thoughts now. I'm going to get a user by their ID. So I'm going to get Tyler, copy his ID in there, and we get that user. And now I'm going to get thought by ID. So I'm going to get a different thought here to show you. I'm going to get Kyle's thought that dogs are awesome. And we're going to post it in there. Boom. Kyle's thought dogs are awesome. We're going to update a user by their ID. So we're going to update Kyle. And we're going to take his ID. And we're going to go update a user. And we want Kyle's username to include his last initial. So we're going to go Kyle C. Oh, that was his thought. I'm sorry. Here's his ID. And Kyle C. And now his username is Kyle C. We're going to update the thought. So now we're going to grab Kyle's thought. And Kyle thought dogs were awesome, but now he thinks cats are awesome. And if we go back and look at Kyle's thoughts, now it says cats are awesome. So I want to delete a user. Tyler is leaving the database. So we'll take his ID. I'm going to delete the user by that ID. And bye. Tyler no longer exists. As you can see now, it's just Kyle and Kaylee. We're going to delete a thought. So we're going to delete one of Kaylee's thoughts here. And we're going to copy that thought ID, paste it in here.